This is our fourth field test of the Catapult. The best we've got so far was 325, and at that we broke our last arm. So we got a new arm now, and we've got a sling. Earlier tonight we broke our first sling. This one's holding up a little bit better. We just got throws 360. We'll see if we can do that again.
Are we ready?
All right, we're ready.
Here we go.
Fire.
On count 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Try again.
We'll edit that.
Okay. We'll see.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Holy cow, that one went.
And we're well, here they're loading it.
Watch your faces.
They're at about 4. There we go.
That's a good one.
$440.
440 feet.
Good one, Vern.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Every time.
Okay, here we are. That's the 450 foot marker. All right, whenever. Went somewhere back here. I heard it behind me.
Now, what I'd like to do, even when we do the big one, I wish we would have measured out how much rope we put in.
I did.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
So now we can take it apart and see how much longer the rope is.
Yeah.
Just to
Yeah,
see the
that's a good
stretch.
point. I did. Yeah, I don't know if I measured it that accurately, but yeah, I'm sure it did. So anyway, pretty successful night. We got 505 feet about was our best one, and yeah, our second sling broke at the end, but we can get a little bit thicker leather. This is just probably not even a 16th inch thick, and it held up for a lot of throws, but we finally had a failure there. But the arm worked really good, and the sling principle worked good once we had this bent to the right direction, and the arm is an old baseball bat that we modified, and worked out pretty well.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that arm's done.
Yeah.
Our last throw is 310 feet.
Clear.
That one went real high.
Like 280.
All right.
Well, that's that.
Let's see.
Take the golf cart.
No, that's what we got. That's the end of the night. No coming back from that.